Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Our today's video is on online medicine shopping and along with Apollo Circle membership review kind of thing. So I'm gonna give you some details about the Apollo Circle membership and also my shopping experience with Apollo 24/7 mobile app. So I have recently subscribed to this Apollo Circle membership and it has like you need to install this Apollo 24/7 app. So friends, this is Apollo 24/7 online doctor and Apollo pharmacy app. It's available in Android and iOS as well. So if I open this, you see there is a new membership provided by Apollo, that is only 49 rupees. It starts with only 49 rupees and you can save up to 848 rupees on medicines, it seems. So it has very good advantages, like you have on call doctor 24/7 available. Okay, you can connect to the doctor. Okay, so other than Apollo Doctor on call 24/7, you have another exciting benefits like consultation with expert Apollo doctors. So you can consult with the doctors. You will find different segments, like for cold cough, for general physician, for COVID consultation, for cardiology. So like this different kind of diseases, you can get consultation with the doctor. So that is the second benefit. And then you have this benefit like different tests, diagnostic test with a great value, you will get in a reduced price. Then again you have this access to advanced diabetes management program of Apollo, that you are going to get as a free 2 week free trial for this, if you get this circle membership. Other than that, you can get your health records at your fingertips. Then you have your you have this COVID-19 care access, you can get it exclusively. And then the most important advantages is this medical delivery at no cost. So whatever amount you purchase, it's 100 rupees, 50 rupees, whatever amount medicine you purchase, you get the delivery free of cost. You don't need to pay a single penny for the delivery. And then you have your various cashbacks. So whenever you do any shopping, you will earn a cashback which you can use for your next shopping as an amount to pay. So for example, for first order you got 100 rupees of cashback. Next time when you purchase, your bill amount is 200 rupees. So out of that 200, you can get that 100 rupees reduced because you had that cashback. Okay, so friends, here I am showing you my Apollo circle membership card details. So it is showing this membership here. Okay, so it will be showing for you also once you get this Apollo membership. So you need to get it. It starts with rupees 49 and it's very cheap, right? You can get it and you will get a lot of advantages for being this member. So for being an Apollo Circle membership, you get 15% discount on health checks. Okay, you get it in different products. You get 5 to 10% of discount. It's mentioned here. For non-pharmaceutical products, 5%, 10% for pharmaceutical product, 10% off on Apollo branded products. So this kind of benefits you're gonna get. Now I am going to show the shopping experience with this particular um, Apollo 24/7 app. So friend, this is the delivery I have received from Apollo 24/7 after the shopping. So I did shopping of the medicine very late at night, and next day morning by 9 a.m. I got my medicine in my hand. Okay, so I would say it's a very fast delivery, and because I am having this Apollo Circle membership, I got the delivery charge waived off. So I have not unpacked it. It's a Volini I have ordered. Volini cream, Volini is for joint pains and all. So I just want to unpack it and going to show you how they have delivered it. Okay. So let's get started. Let's unpack it now. So guys, now I'm gonna unpack this. So it is a good advantage of this Apollo Circle membership that you get the delivery absolutely free. If you just want only one ointment like Volini, suddenly you want, right, or any one tablet, you don't need to pay for the delivery. So I will show you how they have packed it. So inside this packet, this is like bubble plastic. So your medicine will be safe, and inside you get this Volini pain relief gel. Okay. So I see whether they have given me proper expiry date one. Yes. So this product has been made on 6/2021, which means like June 2021, and its expiry is May 2023. So they have given a decent product only, which is having like 2 years of validity. So this Volini gel I have purchased. So this is just a single product. If you want to purchase, you just no need to pay any kind of delivery charges, because we have this Apollo Circle membership. And you see this membership gives you, like I previously told you, it gives you like up to 5 to 10% exclusive discounts. It gives you absolutely free delivery and cashback. So I think it's a good thing to get this membership, and it's really helpful, especially due to this COVID time. We don't want to step out of home, especially to the medical shop, because I'm really afraid, because in medical shop not many people will be coming in, and I don't know if somebody else is having COVID. So better to order online, and that too in such a discounted rate, free delivery, and a lot of cashbacks. Other than that, I have already told you the different advantages, like you will get the diagnostic test with a very cost effective way, discounted price. Then you will get doctor on call, you can discuss with doctors, and which is available 24/7 for you. For consulting with doctor, they will charge you, but it will be a much reduced compared to anybody else who is not having this Apollo Circle membership. So it just starts with 49 rupees guys, and it's really very less. You're just paying 49 rupees, but you are getting a lot of benefits out of it. So I would say you can go for it, right? I will provide you the app link. Also I am gonna provide you my referral link. Okay, so that you use my referral link please, while you are registering for this Apollo Circle membership guys. So our video is till this only, for this Apollo Circle membership and Apollo 24/7 app review. And if you want us to review some other apps, some other kind of online shopping apps, please do let us know in the comment section. We'll be happy to assist. So till now, our video ends here. So we'll come back soon with another interesting video. So till then, stay with us, keep loving us. Please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.